So I had gone to MEPS, or I hadn't gone to MEPS. I had gone to the recruiting, all things like that.
Yeah.
And the only reason I hadn't been shipped out yet is because I need to go to MEPS. But what was taking so long with MEPS is because I actually have a heart murmur. But remember, I played sports all my life.
Right.
So the heart murmur is just there. It doesn't affect me whatsoever. It's just there.
Hmm.
But in the military, they're very, strict on things.
Yeah.
So they're making you do a lot of testing and things like that. So that was honestly like a year and a half process that I was waiting to get shipped out to go to MEPS.
Wow.